Aloha. Aloha ka kahiaka ia o ko apau. O ke ia ka hopena o na papa o lelo Hawai'i apau. This is Kulāiwi, welcome. And this is the last in a series of 12 Hawaiian language lessons. This last show is devoted to review. Today, our ohana goes to church, okay? And they'll see kahu ke ala, and he'll wave at them and listen to what they're saying. All of it is a review. Everything that you're going to hear are structures that you've already learned. I'll see you as soon as it's pau. Ahui ho.
Inana, aia o kahu ke ala.
Ai, olu o kahu ke ala. E kala mai. Eia kahu ke tutu.
Mahalo e kunane. E keiki kane. Olu.
E hawi mai oi I ka mapu ke mama koku wau ya oi.
Oh, mahalo. He wahine loku mai kai oi.
Aloha kako.
Aloha.
Pehea oe e puna.
Mai kai inoa, mahalo.
Pehea nā mo puna.
Mai kai inoa.
He ohana mai kai o kou. O uwai ke ia?
O kua hiko uinoa.
Oia ko u ana ke, oia ka makuhine o ke alohi.
Aloha.
Aloha.
O lelo ka haku e imi I ke au puni o ke akua a me kana pono. No leila e komo mai I loko o ka hale pule.
E te tu e nana I kumau kumaa.
Oh, we. Hele kako I puloko.
Oh, wei, puina wau I ka upai pala.
Ale pilikia eia ka u.
Aloha, welcome back. Is that my kai? Ai, maupopo ia oko. Ua maupopo ia oko na me apau. Did you understand everything? Ai, aole. Okay. Ale pilikia. Pehea oi ke ia ka kahiaka. Okay. Pehea oi, we've had that. I ke ia ka kahiaka. Pehea oi ke ia ka kahiaka. How are you this morning? Yeah? How about if I walked into a room and there were like 20 of you sitting there and I wanted to ask all of you how you were this morning? Okay? I'll leave that one for you to think about. Walk into the room, I want to ask all of you how you are. And instead of in the morning, I want to ask you this evening. Pehea oko I ke iahi. Next one, mai ka inoa au, mahalo. This shouldn't be difficult, okay? We've had this one before. Mai ka inoa au, mahalo. Hiki no? Mai ka inoa au, mahalo. I'm fine indeed. I'm very fine. Mahalo, okay? Next one, aya o kahu ke ala. We heard this in the vignette. Yeah, Puale points out and says, aya o kahu ke ala. Okay? Aya o kahu ke ala. This is not as complete as we're used to, but it's enough to tell us something, okay? There's kahu ke ala, mai kai. Okay, let's go on. We have another one. Olu o kahu ke ala. Olu o kahu ke ala. We're talking about who? Kahu ke ala. Maybe some of you don't know what kahu is. We better talk about that, yeah? Kahu is what we call our pastors, our head pastors, head reverends. And actually the word kahu means a guide or a person who takes care of someone. It has a whole lot of meanings, but really kahu encompasses that mana'o of the person who is responsible for taking care of a flock of sheep, of children, of somebody, okay? That's what the kahu is. And so that's why we refer to that head pastor as kahu ke ala. Kahu ke ala is kind or nice. Kind. That's right. Aye. That's right, nice, kind, olu. Aye. Olu sometimes also means cool and comforting. All right, we're poet olu o kahu ke ala, and here's our next one. This comes I don't know if you remember, but remember when the kuene, when we went to the Hawaiian restaurant and the kuene handed out the menus and he said, Eia kau papa'aina, eia ka pa'akai, ameka aka akai. That's where this next line comes from. Eia kau puke himeni. Himeni, song. Himeni, where does that word come from? Listen good. Himeni, him. Him, not him. Him, like in song kind him, okay? Okay, so, Eia kau puke himeni. Eia kau puke himeni. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay. Now, we've had Aya, and now we have Eia, okay? Puke himeni. Okay? Eia kau puke himeni means
Here is your songbook.
Polole, polole, your songbook, your hymnal. Okay, moving right along. You see Kunane pick up the songbook for Tutu, and she tells him, He keiki kane olu olu oi. Okay, this is a little different from olu olu o kahuke ala. This one says, He keiki kane olu olu oi. He kino. He keiki kane olu olu oi. Okay, he keiki kane olu olu oi.
You are a pleasant boy?
Yes, kind boy. You know how Tutu they say things like that. What if it was, you are a kind woman? He vahine olu olu oi. Yeah? What if there's a whole bunch of women who are so olu olu? You say, he mau vahine olu olu oko. Alright? Let's take a look at our next one. E kokuau ya oi. Yeah? You see Kauahi, this is Tutu's daughter. Say, e kokuau ya oi. Okay? Remember this pattern? This was the suggesting pattern, right? E kokuau ya oi. Okay? You could put a directional in here. Remember we talked about directionals that you can use to make your action word go one way or another? You could say, E kokua akuau ya oi. I'll help you, my ka'i. Okay, we've had E kokua ya oi, and this one is the easy one. No hea mai oi. You hear me say this every single class. No hea mai oi. And the response is, No kaua'i mai au. Okay, no kaua'i mai au. Hikino? It's where are you originally from? No hea mai oi. Say a whole family walks in, okay, and you look and you want to ask all of them, where are they from? No hea mai oko. Yeah? No Alaska mai mako. Yeah? That could be the response. Okay? So you can change this around. Now, you heard Nalenakila Ekolu say, where are you originally from? That's right. No hea mai oi is where are you originally from versus mai hea mai oi, where are you from? Where you just came from. That kind. Okay? Mai hea mai oi. All right, let's go on. We almost fell. Okay? Enana oi I ko kama'a. Yeah, you heard Pualei say this. Look down at Tutu's kama'a and she said, Awe, Tutu, enana oi I ko kama'a. Enana oi ko kama'a. And they all look down at Awe. There's Tutu's kama'a. And it doesn't match. Okay? Look at your shoe. Ay. Hikino. Okay. Last one for today. Make makeau ike kanake. Make makeau ike kanake. Okay. Now, kanake is candy. So, if you've been following us along for these 12 lessons, you know that this is my favorite line, okay? Not so much kanake, but the make pattern, okay? Make makeau ike kanake. I want candy, okay? We're going to put up a minuke ha'avina and give you a chance to practice, okay? And then we'll come back, okay? Ahui ho. Okay, was that a good one? Huh? Were you able to introduce yourself and start a little bit with your new teammate and say that you're hungry and thirsty and what you need to do? Did you remember those words for hungry and thirsty? Pololi and makewai. Yeah, dying for water, makewai. Okay, we're going to go to our vignette and a little bit komaha today because this is the last show. Watch this vignette. It encompasses all of the feelings that we try to put across to each other. Being kind, being nice, helping each other out, being olu, all of those things. So take a look at the values that are shared and listen to what they say. Okay? I'll see you as soon as it's pau. Ahui ho.
Inana ayo o ka huki ala.
Ai, olu o ka huki ala.
E kala mai.
Eia ka huki e tutu.
Mahalo e kunane. E keiki pane. Olu.
E hawi mai oi I ka mopu ki e mama koku o wau ia oi.
Oh, mahalo. He wahine loko mai kai oi.
Aloha kākou.
Aloha.
Pehea oe e puna.
Mai kai ina wā, mahalo.
Pehea nā mō puna.
Mai kai ina.
He ohana maikai o kou. A o wai ke ia?
O kua hiko uinoa.
Oia ko o ana ke, oia ka makuhine o ke alohi.
Aloha.
Aloha.
O lelo ka haku e imi I ke au puni o ke akua a me kana pono. No leila e komo mai I loko o ka hale puli.
E te tu e nana I kumau kumaa.
Oh, we. Hele kako I puloko.
Oh, wei, puina wā I ka upai pala.
Ale pilikia eia ka u.
Well, mahalo to all of you. Mahalo ya oko a pau no ka oko nana ana mai ke ia. Remember the values that we've learned through Kulāiwi, and that's aloha and kuleana and ha'aheo, to be proud of who you are. Ike, to know from experience, to share that ike with others. Because olelo Hawai'i is not just olelo Hawai'i from the waha. It's from Hina'au. It's from who we are as Hawaiians. And to share that with each other. And those of us who are not Hawaiian, I mahalo all of you for helping us out and helping the cause. Because, once again, Hawaiian is the official language of the state of Hawaii. And it shouldn't be a token kind of thing. We should hear it on the street. We should hear it everywhere. Mana wahi a pau. And so, I mahalo all of you for watching and staying with us for 12 shows. Ahui ho aku ia o ko apau, nā kia koe ho'opo mai ka ia o ko, a malama kia ia ho'opo kele mai o ko mai ka ino. Nā kia koe aloha aku ia kā ko apau, ina la apau ko kā ko ola, a e ko kua mai a mā ko, I ka olelo Hawai'i, e ho'oulu nei ma Hawai'i nei. Mahalo ia o ko apau. A hui hou kākou e ku'u mau keiki a me ku'u makua hine. Aloha, kua noni ka lei aloha me ku'u vehi. Hui hou, aloha.